iMonitor tutorial video series. In this episode, we'll be exploring another key feature of the ComforTipPro Headland Management System, the Headland Trigger. This feature allows your tractor to automatically activate sequences by crossing the headland boundary, eliminating the need to manually press a button. This demonstration is based on a stepless TTV tractor equipped with the guidance system. Keep in mind that the settings might vary depending on the model and configuration of your tractor. To start, select a field that includes a field boundary and a headland. Once that's done, return to the ComforTip main page. Here you can record, create or select a sequence while the tractor is at a standstill. If you need help with the previous steps, refer to our early tutorial videos. With your sequence selected, you'll see the GPS master switch on the main page of ComforTip. Activate it and confirm the safety notification to proceed. If you're working with a new sequence, you'll need to assign a headland trigger. To do this, edit the sequence and click on the tip trigger. You'll notice two trigger options: in for entering the field and out for exiting the field. For this example, we'll assign the first sequence to entering the field. You can also adjust the activation line for precision. By default, the sequence activates when the cross, representing the tractor's GNSS receiver position, crosses the boundary line. To fine-tune this, you can insert a value. A negative value triggers the sequence earlier, while a positive value delays the activation. Alternatively, you can drive to the exact position where you want to activate the trigger, then press the Learning button to automatically calculate and insert the distance. After setting the Entering the Field trigger, repeat the same steps for exiting the field trigger. Remember, only two triggers, entering in and exiting out, can be set for a single ComforTip sequence. Once your sequence is complete, save it in the upper right corner. To activate the sequence, press the ComforTip button and the activation button on the Maxcom control lever simultaneously. The system will now wait for the tractor to cross the virtual headland boundary while driving forward. If the conditions for using the headland trigger aren't met, a notification will appear with the status details. If needed, you can also manually activate the sequence at any time by pressing the ComforTip button. To deactivate ComforTip, press the button and activation key again. If you're working on a field without boundaries, you can still use ComforTip. Just deactivate the GPS master switch and the headland triggers will switch back to the regular tip mode. Reactivating the GPS master switch restores the headland triggers. That wraps up this tutorial on using the headland trigger feature. Discover more videos for helpful tips and tricks on using iMonitor.